Finally.
Do your Clorox wipes under your thing. Start locking it. I've told everybody. You have toilet paper. You have cleaner under the sink. Why? Please take that outside. It's annoying as hell right now.
Come on. Now it's not working. This was the truck I was using for that thing. I might make some videos with this. I don't know. Oh yeah, so hope you enjoyed that video. See if it's, hope you enjoyed that video, guys. Peace.